Welcome to the Montana Data Dashboard. This brief tutorial will provide you with an understanding of how to use the data dashboard and gather information from it. This dashboard was created to give Montanans a better idea of their community's strengths and struggles through showcasing data in engaging and easily digestible ways. We attempted to create our dashboard so that it would be a user-friendly platform for any person to quickly get the facts they needed before heading into a board meeting, writing a grant, or simply having a friendly data-driven conversation with a family member or peer. You can find the data dashboard by typing health.umt.edu/CCFWD/ into your web browser, or by Googling the Center for Children, Families, and Workforce Development. All of the data included on the dashboard are indicators of community health. The data is separated into 6 main topic areas, which are children age 0 through 5, people, education, health, economics, and special topics. Underneath each topic area are additional sub-buckets with specialized data. Under the special topics area, there is data on teen wellness and substance abuse, foster care, ACEs, which is adverse childhood experiences data, and homelessness data. On the dashboard, you will encounter 2 main types of visualizations. The first is a map view. At the top of the visualization is a drop-down menu for year. We will select the most recent year, 2017. Below the visualization is a color legend. As you can see, green indicates a lower median age, and red indicates a higher median age. All of our maps will include a legend like this for your reference. When hovering over the map, data will appear in the tooltip. It will contain numerical data for the county, as well as a Montana average. Many will also include a trend analysis over time. You can zoom in and out of the map using these buttons located on the left side of the view. You can also press the home button to return to an original view of the entire state. The second type of visualization you will encounter on the data dashboard is a bar chart. At the bottom of the visualization, there is a legend which shows which colors respond to which variable. This information is also indicated in the chart axis. If you are interested in where data was collected from or how an indicator is defined, this information is located in the text below the visualization. Bar charts and map views are the main types of visualizations you will encounter on the Montana Data Dashboard. We hope that you find this brief tutorial helpful. If you have additional questions or need assistance, please get in touch. We are happy to help and to take suggestions to make our dashboard more user-friendly and fun to use.